everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I'm so happy you're here and I hope you're working on your block of the month because today our class is going to be all about our block of the month. We're working on a block 5. This is month 3. So if you are participating in our block of the month right now, you're receiving your either pre-cut or regular kit. This is the regular kit. This is the pre-cut one. For the regular kit, you're going to be cutting your own pieces. If you're receiving the pre-cut one, the pieces are already pre-cut for you. And this month, we are going to have so much fun making a cute little 4 patches. Look at the fabrics are right in front of me. For anyone that's just joining us in, you can go to our website at Laundry Basket Quilts and get the pattern if you would like. And guess what? I have a special surprise. We do have kits. We have either regular kit. This is the regular kit, or you can go ahead and get the pre-cut kit. Look at how nice and beautiful they are. So if you wanted to, you can join us in, or you can see and email us if we have any spots open for the block of the month and see if you can join us in that way. This is such a fun event and the quilt is so beautiful. But even if you get the pattern and want to purchase one of our Fat Quarters, Fat 8 bundles and just play a little bit, use up your own scraps, you're gonna have a wonderful time with this beautiful quilt design called Primrose. So join us in. Don't wait, enjoy some quilting with us. We love having you. But for today, for everybody that is doing the block of the month with me, today we're doing block number 5, and we're gonna start by taking olive squares and blue squares. We're gonna place them right sides together just like this, and we're going to be stitching using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I'm using a Orifil thread. You can use the 2325. This is a nice taupey color. I'm also using Best Press to make sure that when I finish sewing, I can gently spray it, and that way my pieces are nice and stiff and they're easy to work with. I love putting my squares right side together and keep sewing and keep sewing. For this part of the block, my favorite technique is chain sewing. Look at this cute little chain of little squares. Isn't that nice? All that I'm going to do is now place them in front of me, grab my little scissors. We also have those scissors available on our website, and I'm gonna just clip the pieces apart so I can now go ahead and take 2 sets like this, and I'm gonna push the seam allowance towards the green. You can push it towards the blue, it's fine, but no matter what you're doing, remember, always push towards the same fabric. So I chose to push towards the green. Now I'm gonna rotate one of the pieces, and look at, all that I have to do is place them right sides together. Lovely, right sides together. Grab a beautiful pin it right here next to my seam. I like to pin it just below the seam right here, and I'm gonna start stitching from the top straight down. And look, as soon as I finish stitching, I have a beautiful unit, and all that I have to do is open it up. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead, open the seam in the back, because I want my seam allowances to spin all the way around that center, and I just made a beautiful 4 patch. I'm gonna keep going like this to make a lot of them, 32 of them, and the next step that I'm gonna take it is to press it. Once I press my beautiful 4 patches, all that I have it left to do is take my cute little ruler, place it right over, measure to check if it's 3.5 by 3.5. If my little 4 patches are the correct size, then I'm good to go. But if not, this is the time that it's perfect to go ahead and trim just tiny bit. I'm gonna turn it, finish trimming, making sure that my 4 patches are just beautiful and perfect. And I just want to take a second to just show you this. When I place my ruler, I pay attention to this 45-degree line, that it's right there in the center, and I also make sure that this X right here is in a center, so that way when I'm trimming, I'm equally trimming from all the sides, and I'm making my blocks nice and beautiful. Look at how cute they are. You're gonna keep going like this, keep making your beautiful 4 patches, and you'll be ready, set, go for another month of our Primrose block of the month. Thank you so much for joining us. Please don't forget, give us thumbs up, visit our website for anything you need, and make sure you keep watching our YouTube channel so you can learn more about quilting, and we enjoy your company just as much you enjoy ours. Happy quilting, and I hope to see you soon.